Hello and good day everyone. In this video, our team will explain about Sulam module. The primary focus for module 1 is to establish connection with audience through a ice-breaking session. And we want to explain about project mission. We begin by explaining what is Sulam, the objective of the Sulam, the effect of the Sulam, and we want to share that this Sulam will help community in find their career. We also provide a video that explain a little bit of the module in this project. This is to setting a clear expectation for the participant so that the participant know what we will doing and what we will share about career to them. Pre-test survey. To get a baseline knowledge about the participant, we have deployed a Google Form survey. A total 8 audience have responded this initial survey. Most respond rate their interest 3 or 4 star. It shows that the strong desire for this project to provide actionable and guidance to help the participant to find their future professional path. This high rating especially reflect that the participant hope that the upcoming model can help they to find their dream career or to find an ideal career for them.
For this module, Module 2, mainly focus on helping audience to understand themselves better and prepare for their future career journey in a more structured and realistic way. Throughout this module, we cover several important topics that are closely connected to one another, and each topic plays a role in shaping career awareness and decision making. First, we discuss about establishing career objective, and then next, we move to strengths and weaknesses where we reflect on the students' personal abilities, skills, and limitations. And by identifying the strengths, audience can understand what they are naturally good and what are the things that need to be improved. Third topic covered in this module was knowing your background self. Here is audience will guide to reflect on their academic background, personal experience, and more. Following by the career preparation, this topic focused on how audience can prepare themselves before entering the workforce. It includes building relevant skills, gaining experience through internship or else. And then we move to building a realistic career objective where students learn how to combine self-awareness, job market, and short-term planning to form a clear and achievable career objective. Overall, Module 2 provides a strong foundation for a career development by guiding students through self-discovery, exploration, preparation, and realistic planning. In this module, I will be presenting and discussing all of these topics to help students develop clear career direction and better readiness for the future career path.
Hello everyone, in this module, I will explain Module 3, Job Search Tools, and their importance in the job application process. Job search tools are a document and professional profile that help job seekers present their qualification, skills, and experience to the employers. These tools are important because employers often review many applications and make a quick decision. The first job tool is the resume. A resume provides a summary of personal details, education, skills, and work experience. It should be clear, well organized, and relevant to the position applied for. The next tool is the cover letter. A cover letter introduces the applicant and explains the reason for applying for the position. It also highlights why the applicant is suitable for the job. Certificates are another important job search tool. They provide evidence of academic qualification, training, and skills, and they help the employers verify the applicant's background. Reference and letters of recommendation support the application by confirming the applicant's character, work performance, and ability through lecturer or supervisor. A linking profile is a professional online platform that allows employers to view an applicant's experience, skills, and career background. A portfolio presents samples of work, project, or achievement and show practical evidence of skills. Finally, interview preparation. It is important because it helps applicants communicate confidently and professionally with the employers. In a conclusion, job search tools helps applicants present a professional image and increase their chances of securing employment. Thank you.
Modul yang keempat pula. Menarik sangat, iaitu finding hiring companies. Kita nak cari manakah company, syarikat yang menawarkan benda yang kita nak. Menawarkan kerja-kerja yang bersesuaian dengan yang kita dah set dah. Kita nak kerja ni, kita nak kerja ni. Tapi dekat mana? Company tu siapa je yang offer? Kita kena cari tahu. Macam mana kita nak cari tahu? Akan dikongsikan sedikit macam mana kita nak tahu.
Hello everyone, my name is Nofairuz Azila binti Muhammad Azri, and in this session I will presenting module 5 of the Sulam project focused on networking. In this module, we explore how networking play a crucial role in career development. Networking is not just about looking for a job. It's about building meaningful relationship with people who share common professional interests. Let's dive into the key strategy and tips on how to effectively network. Networking is the process of creating and nurturing professional relationship that can help in your career journey. It's not simple about asking for a job, but about exchange knowledge, advice, and support with others in your industry. The more you expand your network, the more opportunities you will have to learn, grow, and find a new job prospect. It's help you understand the industry better, learn about companies and their culture, and get insider information that could aid in your job search. Why is networking so important in job searching? Networking allows you to access hidden job opportunities that may not be otherwise public. Gain insight into the company culture, helping you decide if it is a good fit for you. Build relationship with key decision maker like hiring manager who can help you get a foot in the door. Stay updated on industry trends and development which can give you an edge in interview. In essence, networking opens doors to opportunities that traditional job searching method may not provide. Here are some essential steps for effective networking. Firstly, make contact with people in your network. Start with family, friends, and even neighbors. Learn about organization. Research the culture, vision, mission, and value of the companies you are interested in. This helps you assess whether you will be a good fit. And the third, request and confirm interview. Try to connect with hiring manager and professional in the industry to get a deeper understanding of the job market. Networking is a two-way street, so don't forget to offer value in your connection as well. Here are some tips and strategy for building a strong network. Start early, build a network even before you need a job. This way you have established relationship between opportunities arise. Engage on social media. Platform like LinkedIn allow you to connect with industry professional, job discussion, and share your expertise. Attend networking event, job fair, industry meetup, and seminar are great place to meet new contact. Be authentic and genuine. People connect better with those who are sincerely and show genuine interest in others. Remember, networking is not just about what you can get, but what you can offer as well. Why networking is essential? There are common mistakes to avoid. Don't ask for a job right away. Focus on building a relationship first. Don't be overly aggressive. Be patient and respect of people's time and boundaries. Neglecting to follow up. Always follow up with a thank you note and quick message to keep the connection alive. Limiting yourself to online networking, in-person event and meet up are just as important as virtual connection. Not being prepared. Be ready to talk about your skill, experience and career goal when networking. Networking is also valuable in the interview in preparation. Through networking, you can gain insight about the company hiring process, the type of question commonly asked, and the work environment. This helps you feel more confident and prepared for interview. By knowing what to expect and how the company operates, you can tailor your response to demonstrate that you are a good fit. To wrap up, networking is an essential tool in your career toolkit. It's not just about finding a job, but about building relationships that will help you grow professionally. By following the steps outlined in this module, making contact, learning about organization, and stay engaged, you will be well on your way to build a strong, supportive, professional network. Thank you for your attention, and I encourage you to start networking today to unlock new opportunities in your career journey.
Hi, my name is Shazwani. I participate in Module 6. This session cover interview tips and technique. I discussed about how to read job discrepancy, research company, and how to know or how to learn a few common question when interviewer asks you when interview. I also share about the different type of interview, such as phone call, online call, and face-to-face interview. Various type of comment have given by the audience. They ask about interview, practice, and they left the question in the comment section. Through this module, I learned that it is very important to us to prepare before we go to interview. We cannot go to interview without preparation because it will hard to us to understand or answer correctly when the interviewer asks we question. In addition, this module also helped me to improve my confidence to introducing myself. Even though I'm nervous, I will know how to control my nervous when we prepare before do something. Overall, I can say that this module help person or candidate to practice and prepare before go to interview. When we practice and prepare when go to interview, it can help us to answer and confident when interview session is ongoing. That's all from me. Thank you.
Module 7 is the final module of our Sulam project and focus on evaluation and postmortem of the overall program. In this module, feedback was collected from participants through Google Form to evaluate the effectiveness of the module, participant satisfaction, and improvement in career awareness and job readiness. Overall, the feedback received was positive, indicating that the program was useful and relevant for school leavers and fresh graduates. In addition, a post-mortem discussion among committee members were conducted. During the session, the committee reviewed the project by identifying the strengths, weaknesses, and challenges. This reflection helped us evaluate the project implementation and identify areas for improvement. In conclusion, Module 7 ensure continuous improvement by allowing both participant and committee members to reflect on the outcome of the project and apply the lesson learned for future Sulam program. Thank you.